Struggling to set meaningful goals that drive team success? Goal setting shouldn't feel like a checkbox exercise. It should fuel progress. The Crafting Effective Team Goals workshop guide helps teams create clear, focused, and actionable goals that build momentum and boost collective efficacy. For just $19, you'll get a ready-to-use facilitation lesson plan for a 20 to 30-minute session, a goal-setting framework to help teams craft meaningful goals, next steps to extend the learning, and much more. Your team will identify the traits of effective goals, craft actionable goals aligned with team priorities, and build a shared understanding of progress and accountability. Transform your goal setting into a process for real impact. Get your guide for $19 today by searching under the resource menu at jigsawlearning.ca.